students, welcome to the 4th standard. This is the science video. The 6th lesson, the D part is observe the picture and write the names of the microbes. The first one, Protozoa, Protozoa. Second one, bacteria, Bacteria. Third one, fungi, Fungi, fungi. Fourth one, virus, Virus. Okay, this exercise part left from the 6th lesson. So, you have to note that one in your textbook as well as fair book. Okay, thank you. Next, the 7th lesson. The name of the lesson is Safety First. First, we will do the warm-up activity. Let's read the question. Look at the pictures here. Tick correct the actions that are safe and cross wrong the ones that are unsafe. Let's look at the pictures carefully, children. The first one, the one girl play swing. Yes, this action is safe. Yes, tick the correct. The second one, we cross the zebra crossing without running. Yes, this action is wrong. The third one picture shows okay, this activity not safe, so cross out this one. And next, don't touch the hot objects. This action also not good. Yes, reading habit, this is also not good. It harm our eyes. Next, last one, they are doing work with elders. Okay, this activity is safe, so tick the correct. Next, checkpoint, underline the correct words to complete the sentences. First one, floors should always be kept dry or wet. Always be kept dry. Second one, turn off or on the knob of the gas when not in use. Let's turn off, not on. Third one, if there are staircases, walk on the left or right side to let other people pass. That is left. Yes, walk on the left side. Fourth one, do not ride your cycle on empty or busy roads. Yes, do not ride your cycle on busy roads. Fifth one, always use a cotton or synthetic cloth to hold hot objects. So, always use a cotton cloth to hold hot objects. Next, exercise part, tick correct the answer. Tick the correct answers. Which of the following actions is unsafe in the kitchen? Wearing synthetic clothes, playing with the knives, running around the kitchen, all of these. Yes, all of these. Second one, always dash in the presence of an adult. Draw pictures, take medicines, pluck flowers, damage trees, take medicines in the presence of an adult. The third one, which of the following items should not be handled by the children? Pencil, pen, razor and shortener. The razor not be handled by the children. Should not be handled by the children. Fourth one, a first aid box should not contain lemon juice, scissors, tweezers, bandages. Lemon juice. Fifth one, be careful while handling dash objects, plastic, rubber, glass, spongy. Glass objects, while we using, be careful. Next question, B, fill in the blanks using the clues given in the box. Okay, in the box, Dettol, tongs, cotton, zebra crossing, rubber, calamine. Okay, the first question. First one, use dash cloths or dash to handle hot pans. Use cotton cloths or tongs to handle hot pans. Cotton and tongs. Second one, dash is an antiseptic ointment used in wiping small cuts and injuries. That is Dettol. Is right there, Dettol. Third one, always cross the road at the dash. That is zebra crossing. Fourth one, wear dry dash slippers while touching an electrical object. Wear dry rubber slippers while touching an electrical objects. Fifth one, application of dash lotion helps soothe an insect bite. The calamine, the name of the lotion is calamine. C question. Read the first tip and guess the injury. Washing the minor burns under cool running water for 10 to 15 minutes or till the pain is. That is minor burn. That is minor burns. Second one, providing support using a splint. That is fracture. Third one, applying a thick paste of baking soda or calamine lotion for sting. Fourth one, pressing the nostrils of the nose. Nose bleeding. Fifth one, apply an antiseptic ointment or cream to prevent infection. That is cuts or minor wounds. Next one, answer the following questions. Short answer questions. First question in the short answer questions. Why is it important to follow safety rules? Answer. Most of the accidents happen due to carelessness and disobedience of safety rules. Therefore, it is important to follow them only if we follow them. Second question. List any 2 safety rules that you should follow at school. Answer. Safety rules that should be followed at school are as follows. Near throw objects such as pencil, pen, sharpener or ruler at each other. They can leave you injured. Third point in the second question, do not climb on desks and chairs. You may fall down and hurt yourself. Next, the third question is, why shouldn't you run around unnecessarily around a public place? Answer, you should not run unnecessarily in a public place because you may hurt yourselves and others. Fourth one, what is first aid? Answer, first aid is an immediate and temporary care given to a victim of an accident or sudden illness before the services of a doctor is obtained. Fifth one, what should you do if a friend of yours suffer a minor burn? Answer, you should do the following if a friend of yours suffers a minor burn. Wash the minor burn under cool running water for 10 to 15 minutes. Then put an ice pack on the burnt area. Very gently apply an antiseptic lotion or cream on the burnt area. Okay, this is the exercise part of the 7th lesson. We will send the long answer questions in the another video. Okay, your essay 1 portion is completed, so you have to prepare for the essay 1 exam. Best of luck. Thank you one and all.